What do you think about that?
I've got a law degree.
I'm
you
here.
Need to leave.
I'm here at the end salon asking for a refund because I got a terrible haircut.
Out. Your language
and this is a customer.
disgusting.
My language. Your language is disgusting.
I'm a customer, and you have offended me.
I'm not talking
Get
to
off
you.
of me.
I'm not
Stop
on you.
hitting me.
I'm hitting
Get
you.
out of here.
Look
Get
at
out of this.
Look at this.
You
Look
get
at
out
this.
of this.
My
shop.
arms are. Look, dude.
Get the
Hey,
hell
if she doesn't get her, she's grabbing me, dude.
Out.
No. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. This whole thing is being recorded. All right, I'm calling the cops. I'm calling. Look at this lady. This whole thing's being recorded. You psychopath. Jesus Christ. Go sit the fuck down, you nutcase.
My rib.
Your rib. Good. Your rib. You slammed into me. My hands are up in the air.
Language.
I haven't said one bad word.
That F word you've been screaming since you walked in.
Hey, all I said is I want a fucking refund if you're not gonna give me... There, thank you. You are insane. What's your name?
Let's get out here and have it out.
Yeah, you...
Go!
Look. You just kicked me.
Asshole!
Alright, dude. Hey.
Fucking get out of
You
my
wanna kick me again?
Get out!
Alright, hey, I'm calling the cops and they're coming down here.
Out!
Get the hell out of here, okay?
Dude, your wife is fucking assaulting me.
Get out!
Your wife is assaulting me.
You're a maniac! What's wrong with you?
I'm not a maniac. I came in here to get a
You
refund.
are a maniac!
And you are kicking me. What the hell is wrong with you? This is insane.
Go. Go.
You guys are nuts, dude. I'm gonna shut you guys down after this.